Did coach tell you to work on your ball handling? Well, the secret is out. Get the ball hog gloves. These weighted gloves take away the grip of the ball, forcing your hands to work overtime. Click the link and thank me later.
Nikola Jokic, the Denver Nuggets centerpiece, took the floor at home against the Minnesota Timberwolves in a battle that slipped away from Denver. Despite the final loss, Jokic imposed his will from the opening tip, dictating terms in a matchup where his vision and touch tested Minnesota's frontcourt resolve. Jokic finished with 35 points, 13 rebounds, and 9 assists, alongside a steal and 2 blocks in 37 minutes. He converted 15 of 26 field goals at 57.7%, splashing 1 of 4 from 3 and 4 of 6 at the line. Operating primarily from mid-range and the post, he probed defenses with patient footwork, rising over help for soft-touch shots and kickouts when doubled, turning contested possessions into rhythm scores or open teammates. Jokic seized control early, establishing post position to draw rotations and set the game's deliberate pace. As Denver navigated the first half's back and forth, tied scorelines masking his growing influence, he orchestrated from the high post, reading hedges to slip no-look passes through traffic for easy buckets. His rebounding clamped second-chance opportunities, fueling transition rhythm while forcing Minnesota to scramble coverage. By the break, his decision-making hummed. Pump fakes baited over helps, creating driving lanes he exploited with up-and-unders or dump-offs. In the third, with momentum teetering, Jokic elevated, snagging boards amid physicality and whipping cross-court dimes that bent the floor. He dictated tempo, slowing to ISO when ahead in rhythm, accelerating with outlet heaves post-rebound. Defenses adjusted by sagging, but his composure shone, countering with shoulder shakes into floaters or hip turns for and-ones. Even with 5 turnovers from aggressive probing, his processing dismantled traps, opening the floor for decisive actions. Jokic's blocks altered shots at the rim, preserving possessions, while his steals sparked fast breaks he captained with precision reads. Into the fourth, Jokic battled through fatigue, demanding the ball in crunch time as Denver clawed within striking distance. He powered baseline fades and rejection turnarounds, collapsing the paint and generating free throws amid the fray. Despite Minnesota pulling ahead by 9, Jokic's final sequence, a rebound-to-assist flurry, epitomized his grip, refusing to yield flow even as the deficit mounted. Nuggets fall 108-117 to the Timberwolves, but Jokic's masterful command, blending scoring craft, board dominance, and connective play, defined a performance of unrelenting influence.